probably seen these push connect fittings for copper. Pretty cool. There's a couple different brands, but basically the same design. It's got a plastic insert and a metal ring that bites onto the copper, seals it off. Most of them have the name bite in their description or in their title and the name of the different brands. Anyway, this is a ball valve here. Pretty nice in that no parts to really wear out there. Seals off the water. Very nice water connection, and definitely better than the compression type fittings. Anyway, with these, they slip on or push on. The little plastic insert goes inside the pipe and it just presses on into place. And the problem comes when you want to disconnect it. You see it's connected here and you can't just pull it out. What you need is this little tool here, this little disconnection tool. You push it onto the copper and then you push it back into the fitting, which depresses the sleeve and allows you to disconnect it. So let me show you that again. Now these fittings are a little bit more expensive than copper, but they're still pretty nice in situations where you really don't want to use a torch for safety concerns or possible fire hazard, or just for speed of repair, or any number of other issues. Okay, again, you push on your connector here, push it up against the fitting, and then pull it off. Like so. Anyway, that's how to use and disconnect these copper fittings. Very nice. I'm liking them. They've definitely got me out a few binds in situations that were so tight that there was no way to solder on another line, and the possibility that somebody was going to open a water line and you know, ruin the solder job. These are pretty nice. I think you like them.